Remember the 5th of November, gunpowder, treason and plot. I would recite the rest of this rhyme, but it appears I have forgot.
For those of you who don't know, Bonfire Night is a day in the UK where we celebrate how one guy by the name of Guy Fawkes nearly blew up the House of Parliament because he was super pissed at the government. Why we celebrate this, I do not know. Perhaps it's the fact that the government know the shit and everybody still hates the government. Maybe. Anyways, hope yous all have a nice night, and remember kids, don't play with sparklers after they've been put out. Hey, leave this sparkler here. Twat!